What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snipe, snipe, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
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 Hermione!
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Hermione!
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Severus
Harry Potter!
Yeah!
Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! That's me!
Snape!
Harry!
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 Harry!
Dumbledore!
Hermione!
Snape!
Harry
Snape.
Potter! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Singing our song all day long at
Hogwarts!
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb!
Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.